Hello and welcome. I am of course Spirit Hunter, and this is another unboxing slash product review video. Quick plug alert: if you like the content, make sure you hit the like button. Want to come back? Click on subscribe and the bell icon to be notified on future uploads. Right, on with the review. So if you haven't already guessed it, I'm going to be reviewing the Viofo A119 in-car dashcam. Now, where I found out about this particular brand, so I was watching one of these dashcam YouTube channels where they swear and shout at drivers for being idiots and doing something stupid, you know, the kind of one. So I liked their footage, it looked really good, and I thought, right, I'll go and buy one. Then my wife was in the car and she said, oh, I'd like one of those, so I bought one for her, and this is it. If you'd like to find out what it looks like, I will put a time code in the description so you could skip straight to what the dashcam actually looks like, instead of me just chatting about the box. Right, so let's have a look at what it says on the box. So it has a 2K/1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, super night vision, capacitor power design, and a GPS logger optional. Enjoy your Enjoy your trip, protect your driving, share the experience. Great night performance, upgraded 2K and 60 FPS frame rate, and discreet dashcam design. So that is, I've already got one of these, so I will be showing you the footage later on as well. So let's open the box. Now I have to do this very carefully because I have to box this back up after this video and give it to my wife and say, no, I definitely haven't opened it, darling, unless of course she sees this video. Anyway, so we have a look inside. The first thing we see is obviously the dash cam itself. So we open it up, take it out. Now this is the screen part, if you haven't already guessed. This one is the power button, menu, record, and mic. So you could turn the mic on and off. And we have a hazard. Now the hazard button, if you say you had an accident or seen something you want to save, you just press that and it saves it automatically, which is really good. Now on the other side, we obviously have the camera itself. Now this is movable, so you can actually move it and angle it the way you want to, and you have this here. Now I will mention about this, so this is an adhesive like pad, and you just peel it off and then you stick it to your windscreen. It does not come with a suction mount. Now if you're like me, I have a car which I change every couple of years. Now I bought this particular model about a few months ago, and I changed my car and it took me forever to get this off. So if you're going to change your car regularly or have different cars, make sure you get the suction mount. I believe you do get two in the box, which we'll have a look at, but just to bear that in mind. But my wife is going to be permanently put in her car, so she's going to be fine with that adhesive pad, which is awesome. So on the side we have the ports. So this one's an AV port and your usual USB port for your charging and transferring the data. And on this side we have the micro SD card slot. Yep, and a reset sort of pinhole where you have to press a pin if it freezes or something. So that's a good point. Has she got a micro SD card? I'm sure she has. If she hasn't, I'll go and buy one. Now I bought this one from Amazon for $59.99. Suction mount is, I believe just under £10, and you can actually hardwire this in if you wish. Now the hardwiring kit costs £12 on Amazon, so you can have that option. Now if we have a look inside, further in the box, have the user guide or quick start guide, and we'll have a look. So it gives you the contents it tells you all about the settings. So it does mention GPS. So let's just have a quick look. 14 installation, just a view angle, connect the car charger. It tells you how to do that. Introduction again. Buttons and icons. Operation. Motion detection, loop recording, play, things like that. PC mode, firmware upgrade, settings. Turn on and off GPS tracking. If disabled, the camera no longer measures the vehicle speed and positions. Can't read that. Nor synchronize the time and date. Okay, so it's got that on there, I believe. So, okay, so to have a look, see what else we got there. Yeah, I did mention you get a second one in the pack. So this is your second adhesive pad. If you need to replace it, it's just there. So we have another one of those. Yep, there you go. There's the different mount. So this is another. Oh, we got another two there. So if you want multiple cars or something like that, you can change them and slide it off and slide it into a different car and things like that. Have the USB cable. Not very. I will say it's not very long. Might have to get it longer by using the extension. Oh yeah, there we go. And you've got the longer cable in here for your charging it up, and your in-car charger in this package as well. So your in-car charger, quite a long cable, this one. That one is mainly for connecting to your PC and transferring the data, isn't it? And then this is your, you know, the cable. What you can do is stick these to your dashboard, and the cable clips, so you can keep the cable tidy. That's also in the box as well. So quite a nice lot of stuff in the box. As you can see, it's a nice slim and discreet design, as mentioned before. And it fits really nicely at the top of your windscreen, and it's not going to distract you from driving or anything like that. And it's not like the ones you can buy where they cover up your half of your entire windscreen and you could be seen from a neighbouring city. Look at me, I've got a dash cam, I'm filming you, you're an idiot. That kind of thing. So it's really nice, discreet. Again, as I mentioned, you can move the lens up and down. What does it look like? Well, let's go and find out. So that was the footage from I've taken earlier, one daytime and one nighttime, and that was my review on the Viofo A119 in-car dashcam. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you again very soon. Take care.